Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on must-have products. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for car enthusiasts and anyone obsessed with a spotless interior, the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Now, this isn't just any cleaning gel, it's the best car crevice cleaning tool you can get your hands on. Perfectly designed to tackle those tricky spots in your car that dust and grime love to hide in. What makes this gel so special? Well, let's break it down. It's not just for show, it's practical too. The PULIDIKI gel is designed to clean deep into your car's air vents, steering wheel crevices, console panels, and more. Essentially, anywhere those pesky crumbs and dust particles like to lurk. Using it is a breeze. You simply press the gel into the areas you want to clean, and watch as it grabs onto dirt like a magnet. It's like therapy for your car, it gets into the nooks and crannies that other cleaners can't reach. And the best part? It's reusable. Just fold it back into the container after use, and it's ready for the next cleaning session. Plus, it's eco-friendly, made from natural materials that are safe for your car's interior. But wait, there's more. It's not just for cars. You can use this gel to clean electronics, like keyboards, laptops, and even around your home or office. It's a multi-purpose cleaner that's handy to have around. Thousands of users swear by it, and for good reason. It's earned its place as a #1 bestseller in detailing tools on Amazon, with over 40,000 units sold just last month. That's a lot of clean cars. So, if you're tired of dust settling into every corner of your car or struggling to clean those hard-to-reach places, the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel is your solution. It's efficient, effective, and eco-friendly, everything you'd want in a cleaning companion. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, happy cleaning!